Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. You guys, I know it's been so long overdue for a video. For those of you who don't know, Tony and I just moved into a new construction home, and it's been a process of settling in, trying to get everything unpacked, and on the midst of that also working and just, you know, getting these bills paid. My schedule has been like really off track, but today I wanted to go ahead and throw out a video for you guys because I'm tired of this hair. I'm so tired of my hair. Like, I am so frustrated with it. For those of you who don't know, I've been going through a big journey with my hair. You know, I did the whole color changing to blonde and then just finding different products that work with brassy blondness and trying to get it platinum, and then to going pink, rose gold. Now the rose gold has basically faded and I am left with this hot mess. I wanted to get back to that healthy state that I used to be in. I know the only way to do that is to change the color. So today we're gonna go get some color. Going to possibly cut some of this hair off. I don't know. I'm really ready to get back to my natural state and just embrace my curls again. I miss my curls. I was really good on keeping them healthy. I didn't put any color in my hair for a few years, and now once you start putting color, like, you get a little crazy with the colors and then it becomes too much, and then you just, you know, start all over. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a big chop today. I'm gonna figure something out. We're gonna go head to Chad. You guys know I do videos with Chad all the time. I love Chad, and hopefully he can help figure out something for this hot mess I got, because first of all, my roots just grow back too fast, and that's another thing that's been irritating. Like, with all these colors, like, my hair just grows too fast, and it's like really hard to schedule in like hair appointments and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna figure out what the solution will be today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head to Chadwick's. All right, Chad, what are we cooking up?
We're making corrective colors right now. This is for what's going to be the tips. So we're doing like pigmentation.
Yeah.
Putting it back in. That's the tips, and this is going to be for your base all over. We can mix this stuff.
That looks a lot different than like the blonde you've been using.
Oh yeah, because this ain't bleach.
Yeah.
Doing this a little bit on the different side, like, because I'm going to put just pure pigmentation in first. Okay. Not mixing it with color, like most people will go in here and just like mix it all, like mix your color pigments in with your color.
Blue.
Yeah, it's blue. We're putting blue. We're putting blue in your hair, but I'm gonna alternate them through, kind of like we're just gonna paint them through randomly, so the tones are
Okay.
not so we'll have hots and colds all over instead of just like unicolor. We're not gonna pull it all the way to the ends because we're doing different tones to your ends too.
Leaving the blonde.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
But look, even I'm leaving the blonde.
You're going back too?
Mm-hmm.
It's too much work, maintenance.
Shit, wait till you have to dye your hair dark all the damn time. I'm at my size. I just dyed it once this week. So I gotta do it again.
What's happening?
So this is the color pigmentation that we're doing. We're doing this a little different.
It's already getting dark though.
Oh yeah, these colors are being absorbed into the medullary cortex of the hair. It's going, thank God Almighty.
Yeah, that blonde is gone.
Oh yeah, it's gone, girl. You're a kaleidoscope right now.
We're about to rinse it out. Got some ice cream.
Mm-hmm. We got.
Thanks to Chad.
We got some Bailey's and butterscotch,
Kahlua
and chocolate chip. I'm trying to eat it, try to have brain freeze, but it's really good. Sweet Joy ice cream in Lawrenceville.
Yes.
Homemade with liquor.
I need a tan.
Wash time. I know you need a tan like me. I got it back there in the back.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh. This ain't real. It's real. It's really mine now. You should have seen me yesterday. I'm like Casper the fucking friendly ghost.
Blonde is gone, y'all.
Like hook a tripod up to the chair
Oh.
from underneath. Like, I'll fashion one for you. Yeah. Like, hey, hi.
Bangs, baby. The bangs are back.
Hey, back.
Tony's first reaction. I'm here. You're gonna be shocked.
What?
You ready?
Wow. Went short?
Yeah, I went short.
You look like your mom.
Stop. Oh my gosh.
Dang.
I gotta style it right, but yeah, I got deep conditioner in it right now.
Good. Looks good though.